pop that in.
If we put that here as... This is just a rough one, and I'll obviously have to match up the grain.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
But...
Oh, wow.
Bad.
Wow.
On a Friday afternoon, that's about the only way I can suggest.
Wow, you kind of can't even notice, can you?
And when Damo matches the grain, I don't even know if you'll see.
He stuck a piece over it and you couldn't even tell where the hole was. So it's fixed.
This is a good temporary solution, and
Yeah.
then to fix it properly,
Yeah.
it's got to come off and be reprinted.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive, Damo.
I can do that now. We give it a try.
Yeah.
Pray to the judging gods that no one sees it, and we fix it up next week.
I cannot believe how good that is. That's like blowing my
When you
mind.
showed it before, I was like, oh, wow.
So happy. Damien's our hero.